Hello everyone, who follows my channel, welcome. Before we start our video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. I really appreciate it. There's been a big argument between Yugmur Yeksul and Barry Spectors, the famous actor from the TV series Blood Flowers. They are known not just for their on-screen chemistry but also for their real-life relationship. However, recently things have gotten tension between them according to reports. Yugmur Yeksul has told Barry Spectors not to kiss or get too close to his co-stars in his acting projects. This surprising demand has caused a lot of discussion among fans. People are wondering how Barry Spectors will respond. It seems Yugmur Yeksul made this decision because of growing competition and to protect her own interests. Many people are criticizing her for interfering in Barry's career. Will Barry Spectors agree to Yugmur's request or will he choose a different path for his career? This ban could not only affect their relationship but also the future of the Blood Flowers series, which is known for its romantic scenes involving Barry Spectors. Fans of Yugmur Yeksul and Barry Spectors are sharing their opinions on social media. Some support Yugmur's request while others think it's not right for her to interfere with Barry's professional life. The comments on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook show how sensitive this issue is. Barry Spectors has not made an official statement yet, leaving everyone curious about how they will react. People are eagerly waiting to see what happens next in the upcoming episodes of Blood Flowers and how the production team will handle the situation. This tension between Yugmur Yeksul and Barry Spectors has become a hot topic in magazines. Their unusual situation could deeply impact both their personal relationship and their careers. This story is likely to be widely discussed in the media in the days to come. We will have to wait and see how things unfold. One thing is for sure, Yugmur Yeksul and Barry Spectors keep their audience captivated not only on screen but also in real life. Their fans are closely following this dramatic turn of events and everyone is curious about the future of their relationship. Thank you for watching another video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates and please like and share this video. Take care and goodbye.